How do I understand bird range maps on eBird? If you are curious about how to interpret bird range maps on eBird, you are in for a treat. These maps are fantastic tools for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Let's break down how to make sense of them. First, bird range maps show where different bird species can be found throughout the year. Unlike traditional maps, eBird maps provide detailed information about where birds are during their annual cycle. This includes breeding areas, migration routes, and wintering grounds. Next, eBird maps display relative abundance, which means they show how many birds of a species are typically present in various locations. You will notice that darker colors indicate higher numbers of birds. This feature is especially useful because it allows you to see where a species is more or less common during different seasons. For instance, a bird might be abundant in the north during summer but scarce there in winter when it migrates south. One of the best aspects of eBird maps is their fine spatial and temporal resolution. The data comes from millions of observations submitted by birdwatchers worldwide, combined with satellite data and statistical models. This means the maps can show bird presence and abundance at a very small scale, sometimes just a few kilometers. Plus, they are updated weekly, allowing you to see how a bird's range changes over time, especially during migration periods. When you look at the maps, pay attention to the color codes and symbols. Red or warm colors usually indicate breeding areas, while blue or cool colors show non-breeding or wintering areas. Intermediate colors may represent migration corridors. Darker shades within these colors mean there are more birds in those areas. eBird also offers trend maps that show where bird populations are increasing or decreasing over time. These maps use circles of different sizes and colors to indicate population trends in specific regions. This information can be very helpful for understanding conservation status and changes in bird distribution. For birdwatchers, these maps are practical. You can use them to plan birdwatching trips by identifying where and when to find target species. They help you discover new birding locations by showing hotspots of bird activity. Additionally, they provide insights into migration timing and patterns, improving your chances of sightings. To access and explore eBird maps, visit the eBird website or app. You can select a species and view its distribution throughout the year. The interface allows you to zoom in on specific regions and choose different seasons or time frames to see detailed abundance patterns. Understanding eBird bird range maps means recognizing not just where birds are found, but also how many are typically present and how their presence changes seasonally. These maps are powerful tools that bring bird distribution to life with detailed data gathered from birdwatchers like you.